So, how do we use our art journal as motivation? For all of us, we sometimes go through so many different challenges, different things that we find challenging in life. And very often, just having that visual image to keep pushing you forth, to inspire yourself that I can do this, I can push through. Some of the images can be so simplistic, even if I speak to you like this one I'm going to share with you. I just took a photo of myself and my son, and I traced it and then I placed it on and I just sprayed the background with mica spray. You can see it has that glossy mica with it to have the little silhouette of my son and me. He's going grade 1 this year and I am going to homeschool it. So for me, this is such a simplistic image. It doesn't have writing with it, but when I see it, I see that like, yes, this victory of yes, we can do it. And whatever your challenge might be, to find something that symbolizes it, something that will inspire you of like, yes, I can do it. It can be very simplistic. So follow me for more art journaling tips.